Hello everyone! I got this model last autumn through a trade, and I was unsure if I was gonna keep the model or if I was going to sell it. I have now reached the decision that I will keep the model, and I thought I would make a short unboxing video and maybe a build assembly video as well. I would also like to inform everybody that if you would like to see a bit more what I'm doing, then you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. And if you like to support me in any way, you can buy me a cup of coffee. Link also in the description. So let's open the box and see what we got and do some assembly, and I'll get back to you afterwards and give you my first thoughts about the model. Here we go.
Engine on. Engine off.
Well, here it's all done, and it looks like a decent good model, good quality. There were 2 screws missing. That's the only negative things I have to say, but I do have a lot of screws on hand, so I had replacement screws at home. The other thing is that the propeller was very unbalanced, as you can see in the video. It did take a lot of time to balance out the propeller, but as you can see in the video, it's totally balanced now. So now there's just maiden left. I did also have to add about 130 grams of added weight in the nose, due to that it's pretty tail heavy. And I'm using a 4S 3200 milliamps battery, pushed as far forward as I can, and I still had to add a lot of weight. I did look around on the internet, and it seems like it's a known issue with this model that it's tail heavy. But the model is balanced, the propeller is balanced, so the only thing left now is to do a maiden. I will of course film the maiden and post it here at my channel, so stay tuned. And as always, like, subscribe, share and all that stuff, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.